Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download 1Password app for iPhone and Mac, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the 1Password app for iPhone, start by unlocking your device. Open the App Store by tapping on its icon. In the bottom right corner, tap on the Search tab. Type 1Password into the search bar at the top of the screen. Locate the app from the search results. Tap the Get button to download the app. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID. Once downloaded, the app will install automatically. To download 1Password for Mac, open the App Store on your Mac. In the search bar at the top right, type 1Password. Find the app in the search results and click on it. Tap the Get button to download the app. You might need to enter your Apple ID credentials. The app will begin downloading and will install automatically once completed. After installation, you can find 1Password in your Applications folder. Now, open the app on both your iPhone and Mac to begin setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account or sign in. Ensure you sync your data on both devices for seamless access to your vault. You are now ready to use 1Password to manage your passwords securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.